My name's Lisa Castillo, and I happened to see Kaelin's her video on my Facebook page. And when I saw her, there's just something about her that drew me to her. I had just recently, at that time, lost my sister, and she was my only sister. She died of cancer. She was 37. So I just knew that since God took my sister, He was going to replace her with more sisters for me, so I wouldn't be alone, because I was feeling very lonely at the time.
I think I know you now that you say that. You have a daughter as well, don't you?
I have two daughters. One's 28, and then I have a 25-year-old that's a special needs.
Yep, because I talk about you all the time when I'm talking. I work in coaching, and I talk about you all the time when I'm talking to ladies that are signing up and interested in coaching. So
yes,
you're one of the examples I use. So,
oh, thank you.
Yeah. So you're changing lives and you don't even know it. So for you, what was your big breakthrough? Where in this whole process, where did you have your breakthrough or breakthroughs?
I joined LadyBoss back in September of 2016, and I just kind of, looked through the feed and was watching everybody else. I didn't start until January of 2017, and I joined results coaching. So I think my breakthrough was at the first live, and signing up for coaching, because I did it for almost, I guess it was 10 months, and I lost some weight and then I gained it back, lost it. So I didn't have that accountability that I needed, someone to hold me accountable. So my breakthrough was at live and with the results coaching.
That's awesome. So since you did that, you made that commitment, went all in. What's it done for you, the coaching program?
Oh my goodness. The bonus is I've lost 30 pounds, but I think for me, it's more mental and more spiritual for me. I think that's what I'm bringing out of the coaching. Everybody gets into it for weight loss, and originally that's what, that was ultimately my goal. But just the coach is holding me accountable, and then, helping me believe that I can do it no matter what I've been through, no matter what I go through. I think mentally it's changed me, because I don't think the same way I did when I first started, or in January. It's helped me grow. It's helped me to change my mentality and to love who I am.
That's amazing. I love hearing that.
Thank you.
So what do you say to someone, because you've done it on a high level, what do you say to someone, all those ladies out there that don't believe they can, or that they can't afford it, or they don't have the time, all these excuses? What do you say to someone who needs it but hasn't made that jump into LadyBoss?
I would say that do whatever you can. I didn't think I could do it. I didn't think I could afford it. With my two daughters, and especially with my special needs daughter, she needs a lot of care. And, at first I was feeling guilty about joining the program, but if I didn't take care of myself, I can't take care of her. So you have to invest in yourself, and that's what I did, even though I was, feeling guilty about it, but I had to invest in myself. You just have to do it. I got a part-time job to pay for it, and I have not looked back.
No regrets?
No regrets. No regrets. I just signed up for another year of coaching.
Wow. So cool. I love that. And, what's been the most fun out of all this?
What has helped me the most with the coaching is my Coach Steph paired me with 3 amazing result sisters, and we have become friends. We came to live as roommates, all 4 of us, and we stay in touch. We talk every single day. When one of us is down, we pick each other up. It's like we're all true sisters, and we just met for the first time today.
Wow.
And I think that's been the most rewarding, is the ladies that you get to meet. You get to hear their stories, and they inspire you, and at the same time you're inspiring them, but you know, you don't think about it. You don't think of it that way, but you truly are inspiring each other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What would you say to your old self before you made that change and commitment? You know, back when you were struggling. Now being where you are, what would you tell that person?
Oh, wow.
That Lisa.
That Lisa, I would just tell her that, you know, she can do anything she puts her mind to it. I never thought that I could lose the weight. I've been trying for 28 years, and just to tell her that, you know, have faith and trust the program, trust the process, and just go for it. I mean, I'm worth it. She's worth it. Anyone that does this program that really wants to love themselves and change themselves, it's all mental. It's bonus is the spiritual, and you know, and the weight that you lose. You just connect with so many people that you think you're alone, but you're not. There's so many people out there with the same stories, and it's just real inspiring.